Yep, we broke it. The journey picks up after the show and shine on the first morning of Tough Truck 2019. After a quick feed, the multiple teams begin to muster as they all get ready for their first event of the day. Some starting on harder tracks and others, like us, getting to start nice and easy and relaxed. Heading up now over to the flex ramp. We're just coming into the area where all the different tracks are scattered. So the boys at Oricom are up first, then we got Brent, and then we got Elmo's up the back. Once all the intercom and everything's working, we'll be up next. How'd you feel that went, mate?
It'd be better if I remembered to put it in four-wheel drive. But, so
no, you did well.
You live and learn.
Yeah, we'll see you at the next one.
See you there.
See you, bro. We were finally up. Stage 1, the flex ramp.
On the dot. 2100 on the dot.
We were so lucky to have this as our first stage. Remember, this was a new truck built on a tight time frame and a tight budget. But we were here and we were ready to give it the best crack we had and have a hell of a lot of fun at doing it. So we've just had a run on the flex ramp, pretty happy with the results. She's stressed up nice. Elmo's just about to jump on behind us and then off to the next round, mate. Good effort.
How you going?
Were you on the phone or something?
No, mate. I've got, oh yeah, it feels like I'm on the phone to Matt.
Oh, constantly.
Three-way conversation after it.
Awesome, guys. Whoa.
That was great.
Just finished what?
So we just finished the travel ramp. Had a good one of that, and now we're heading out the back to a new course for this year. It's called Gnarly Gully. Thought of having a go at that.
Should be pretty gnarly.
Should be awesome. That's the old frame twister. Definitely made the frame twister a bit more exciting.
Yeah, looking a bit bigger. Oh no, what's happened here? Matty, what's happened, mate? Oh. We followed Team Oricom from the flex ramp to the start line of our first real test, Gnarly Gully. As we arrived, the crew from the money truck were already well and truly into the business side of this track and doing great. We had heard Team Oricom was backing out to do some repairs, so before we could see the end, we were snapped into go mode and getting prepared to put this fresh build up its first hill. Well, that's a good climb, that's a great climb. Yeah, nice. Team Oricom.
Yeah, be back.
They'll be back. So this will be our first official run besides the flex ramp. Time to see how the new truck goes. Pretty confident, but you hit it, right? It's 2 points. If you don't go back and fix it, it's another 10. But if you go back and stand it up, we'll put it back in the right spot. So I don't have to, or one of the other guys don't have to. It's just 2 points. Righto, ready to give these guys a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
No way, no. Keep going. Okay, sorry mate, that's us. But dude, we got a front axle past the 50. Yeah, you got 60. We've got 60 now. That's 60.
Good work, mate. Right, so we've just finished stage 1. Made it to the 60 point mark. Pretty happy. First stage. New truck straight off the bat. Another 40 points would have been nice, but 60. We're happy with that. We're heading on to the second stage for today, which is going to be our last stage for today. We're just going to see how much of a lineup's left, and then we might shoot back to the pits. That's Elmo having a charge. And a big thumbs up. Yup, boss.
Just had to change at a fuel pump.
Oh yeah? So we're running better since that?
Find out, I just did it.
What stage are you run?
Rock garden, I think. Maybe we jump on the rock garden now.
Here we are at Tough Truck with Pez. Pez, mate, how's it running?
Mate, everyone's getting the dog, and we're getting a few 2.8.
Get the dog. Get the dog.
There has to be a reason.
No, there isn't.
Get the dog.
Get the dog.
And I'll get back to you in a few hours.
He won't.
G'day, buddy.
How are we setting up for this course, mate?
So we got one up on the front, looking down at the team. We got one inside the cab there, buddy.
Oh nice.
And then we got
That's
one
very
more
nice.
that's going to be sitting on the back wheel.
Oi, Tyler.
While waiting for our crack at Mini Wiraba, I got a quick chance to jump down and catch the heroic end to Buggy Life Racing's solid attempt at the rock garden. As their wicked effort turned into strange noises, heaps of smoke and loud cheers, we were all getting our game faces on for track 2, Mini Wiraba. Now, after having this car a little tested on Gnarly Gully, we were definitely ready to hit this track.
Thank you.
We have no power.
What, the car? Seriously?
Yeah. Tell them we want a Manitou.
Need a Manitou. It's just cut the power. Do you want me to check something, mate? Should we pop the bonnet?
No. What are they doing with Manitou?
They're getting the Manitou.
Yeah, right.
You okay?
Yeah, pop the bonnet and have a look and see. I'm not going to drive it out of here anyway. I'm stuck.
Hey, Navi! Ew! Mr. Brenty, what have you done, buddy? Done yourself a mischief. So, with no power at all, we had no choice but to get towed back to the pits by the Manitou. As the afternoon was closing and the evening was setting in, we knew we had to get stuck into this, get it up and running before the Mud Rat's revenge later that night. Will the boys find out what happened to the car? Will they be entering in Mud Rat's revenge? Stay tuned for episode 4.
Side snips, mate?
Side snips, cut the
Side cutters
cut some ties.
for those playing at home.
One or the other. There's two
I'm onto it already.
and one on the tip.
It was just a locker line or
Yeah.
a locker solenoided.
Yeah, and we changed the solenoid and we went out there, but then it wouldn't rev out.